Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Let's do something creative and wonderful. Y'all stay tuned. So we are still crafting scraps because there are so many different ways that we can get projects out of our scraps. And today we're going to look at crafting our scrap cut-aparts. All too often, we just completely overlook the cut-apart sheets that come in the pads of paper that we purchase because quite honestly, we don't know what to do with them. Well, today I am going to show you something very creative and very wonderful that we can do with these. And here it is, guys. We can turn these into little cards that we can write our love note in on the inside and just have something oh so cute. And I'm going to show you how we're able to do this, because when you take this and you lay it out, this is actually two cut-aparts from a cut-apart sheet that I did not cut apart. I cut them out together as a 6x4, and then I folded it in half, and we come up with this really cute and wonderful way of using those cut aparts. We now have a Valentine's card, or you can make a card for any occasion depending on the cut apart that you're cutting up. And I'm going to bring in this pack just to show you what I mean. So we've got these two here. Both of these are separate cut aparts, but if you cut straight down the middle and fold it over, you've got a thank you card that has a wonderful little sentiment on the back. So this would be the back, and this would be the front of your card. I think it's just a wonderful way to be able to use these. And the same goes for these cards. I could make a set using sweet on the front, and then this is the back of that card, or this beautiful little girl here with beautiful on the back. There are so many wonderful ways that we can use these cut aparts, and today we're going to do that. And so here is what we have for today. We have this wonderful, wonderful cut apart. This is a separate cut apart from this one, but I just left them joined. And it says, "You hold the key to my heart." And I think this is just beautiful. So I am not going to cut these apart. I'm simply going to fold them. And if you guys stay tuned for part 2, I have a very beautiful way of gifting this card to someone. So I am going to bring in my scoreboard, and I am going to score this at 3. Just straight down the middle. And then I'll fold and burnish on my score mark. And already I have a card. And so now I want to come back with a little insert piece. And this piece measures 5.5 by 3.5. And all I'm going to do is fold it just like this. And now I can take it and put it in just like this. So I'll come back with my stapler. So I'll get it matched up. And I'm simply going to insert my staples. Sometimes I get them straight, sometimes I don't. So now we've got this really cute little card. So now I'm going to come back with this heart sheet, and I am simply just going to pick out a sweet little heart to place on the inside, maybe right there. And then I think what I'll do is I'll take just a little heart here and another little heart and place it there just to give the outside of this card some cuteness. So I'm going to bring these back in so you can see just how cute they are, and you saw just how easy it was to make that. Now, when we give something this special and this creative, we should really be presenting it in something equally as special and equally as creative, and that's exactly what I've done. Because if you make a single card like this to give to someone, it's probably someone who means a whole lot to you, so the packaging should reflect that as well. All right, so I'm going to bring in the packaging that I've made for the other two cards that I did earlier, and you'll see just how gorgeous these are. This one is perfect for gifting to a man. The colors, the pattern scheme, everything is perfect for that. Not over embellished, just very simple and clean. And when you open it up on the inside, you've got this cute little pocket here made of ribbon for a sweet treat. And then on this side, we've got a ribbon pocket that holds the Valentine card that we made. Really, guys, how sweet is this? And like I said, this is something that you would make to give to someone who is oh so special to you. And the same goes for this one. This one is my absolute favorite because I love crafting with lace. I love creating in the old Victorian style, and that's what I think of when I do projects like this. So I am going to untie my ribbon so you can see the inside, but before I show you the inside, I just want to give a really close-up look to the outside. And this paper is from Prima, and it's from the Love Story paper collection. And then I have my Anna Griffin embellishments on the front, from the flowers to the sentiment to the bow. And it really does just make this so over the top, oozing with femininity. I absolutely love it. It is so girly. And then when you open this one up, again, we have the chocolate, and this time it's inside of a lace pocket. And on this side, we've got our beautiful card with this beautiful little girl on it. And I have a lots of love sticker here and a lots of love sticker here. And then when you open it up, you can write your love note. And this is just so stinking cute and just oh so elegant. And again, this type of a card would be for someone special in your life for Valentine's Day, whether it's your mom, your sister, your auntie, your best friend, maybe a nurse that was really kind to you. Anyone would love to receive this absolutely gorgeous card. So let's make it. Okay, so I wanted to show you the stack of scraps that I have been working with. I've been cutting out some 8x8 pieces of chipboard from a 12x12 board, and it leaves me with a 4x12 strip. And this is perfect for doing crafts like this. So I went to that stack, and this is what I'm working with in order to make these little booklets. Okay, so I have already added my double-sided tape to the back, as you can see that sheen, and I'm going to bring in my scrap paper. And I had a piece of scrap paper, and I love this paper. This too is from the Love Story collection by Prima, and it has this wonderful shine on it. And this piece here measures 12 by 6. So I am going to flip this side over because I want those hearts to be on the outside. And I have two pieces of chipboard that measure 3.5 by 5 1/8. So I am just going to place those down. And then I have a spine that measures 5 1/8 by 1/2 inch. And I am going to place that down using about 1/2 inch in spacing. And I'll place my second book cover down. And now I'm going to come back with my finger blade, cut off my excess. Don't throw this away because what are we doing? We are crafting with scraps, so we can save this. And now I'll come back and I will simply take this, fold over my edges, and I'll come back and I'm going to miter cut. Okay, so I'll come back with my reptile glue, and I'm just going to place glue on my edges, and I'll fold it over, come back with my bone folder, and get that stuck down, and I'll do this on all 4 sides. All right, guys, so now I have the tape on my book cover, and we are going to take our inside liner piece, which measures 4 7/8 by 7 1/2, and we are going to place it down. And I am going to run glue along the edges on all 4 sides. And again, I am using the Prima Love Story paper collection, and this paper is just so beautiful. Look at how that looks on the inside there. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. So I am going to come back with my paper towels and use that to spread my glue out. And then I'll come back with my bone folder just to make sure that that glue is worked in. And if you wanted to add ribbon, you could have added the ribbon before I placed down the liner piece, but on this one I'm not adding any ribbon on the inside, so I didn't place mine. Okay, so we have this all done, and when we close it, we've got this really cute and really fun little book. So what I am going to do though is I am going to use some ribbon on the inside just to create my inside pockets, and it's very easy. I am just going to run glue on the ribbon, and then when I put it down and give it a chance to dry, it will not come up. So I am just going to take this and get it placed down, and then I'm going to come back and just pat that glue down with my paper towel. Then I'm going to come back on this side and do the same thing because I want a pocket for that chocolate. And then while that's drying on the inside, we're going to go ahead and do the outside. And for the outside, I do want some lace, but I want the lace in the form of just a little belly band. And for those of you who don't know, a belly band is just a wrap that goes around your project to hold it. And this is what a belly band is. It's going around my project. It'll slide on and off. So basically all I'm going to do at this point is I am going to come back with just a little bit of hot glue so I can get this hold started, and I'm going to place that down in my hot glue, and then I'll just kind of hold it until it sets up. So now we've got this nice little hold on this project, and we can finish decorating it. So I am going to come back with some more hot glue, and I am going to place that hot glue right there. And so now that I have my belly band on just like this, and it'll slide on and off, what I want to do is I want to come back with my stickers, and I'm simply going to give some adornment to the outside. So I am going to take this sticker and place it down just like that. And then I'm going to take this one that says Sending Love, and I'll place it down if I can get the backing off. So I'll take that, and I am just going to put it in just like this. And now you can see we have this gorgeous, gorgeous outside to our book. And what I used here again were my Anna Griffin stickers, and this just makes this project pop. So I am going to slide this band off, open this up, and it looks like we're ready now to put in our card. So I'll slide that in, and if I haven't eaten all of my chocolate, we'll have a chocolate piece. So I took my chocolate and placed it in the pocket, and now you can see we have this really sweet little card with a sweet treat inside. I am going to take this that says a sweet little note, and I'll tuck it right there. And this is such a sweet little project made with our scraps. So when you're looking at those cut aparts and you've got a few left, if they're joined together, form them and make a card, and then make a cute holder, or make a whole set. Make this whole set into a booklet to hold cards. There are so many things that we can do with pieces that we ordinarily might overlook because we don't know what to do with them, so they become scrap because we can't use them, or we think we can't use them. So I am going to bring the other ones back in so that you can get a good look at these. And I hope that you like this project. If you do, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.